Welcome back to another new videos, and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about arrest by magistrate. How or in what cases magistrates can arrest. So let's start this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. Section 44 of the Criminal Procedure Code or CRPC deals with the provisions of the arrest made by magistrate. This section says when any offence is committed in the presence of a magistrate, whether executive or judicial, within his local jurisdiction, he may himself arrest or order any person to arrest the offender and may thereupon, subject to the provisions herein contained as to bail, commit the offender to custody. When any offence is committed in the presence of a magistrate, it can be executive or judicial, okay, within his local jurisdiction, within the local jurisdiction of the magistrate. So if any offence is committed in Alipur and in the presence of that magistrate, then he may himself arrest or order any person. Here any person includes police officers only, to arrest the offender and may thereupon, subject to the provisions herein contained as to bail, commit the offender to custody and take the offender to the custody. Here in this section, a magistrate may act when any offence is committed in his presence. Okay, a magistrate may act only when any offence is committed in his presence. Okay, any magistrate, whether executive or judicial, may at any time arrest or direct the arrest in his presence within his local jurisdiction of any person for whose arrest he is competent at the time. The magistrate should be competent for the arrest of such offender at that particular time, and at that particular circumstance he should be able or he should be competent to issue a warrant as well. Okay, I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt in this video, please do comment, and if you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos. For then, stay safe. Thank you.